Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll talk about the LaunchSetting.json file in our ASP.NET Core project. So we don't know why this file is needed or why it is there in the ASP.NET Core project. Let's talk about it. So LaunchSetting.json file is nothing. It actually stores the configuration information which describes how to start the ASP.NET Core application by using the Visual Studio. So we have three types of runtime provided runtime environment which we configure in launchSetting.json file. First is IIS, then Kestral and WSL. What is IIS? IIS is the default server which is provided by the window to run the application, and Kestral is a new server which actually comes in a ASP.NET Core project. It is a cross-platform server that's run without IS and Apache Web Server and any of the server. Regarding the WSL, what is WSL? Actually, WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. It enables to use the Linux file system, for example, to run the configuration of Linux. So we need a Linux machine. So Windows Subsystem for Linux provide a way so we can run the Linux command line tool in a Windows. For example, we create a Docker. We are using a Docker container, which can provide the virtual machines for both for Windows and Linux, so it can run on any of the cross-platform. So let's move to our code and see the configurations. So here is our application. I've created a demo application, and inside launchSetting.json file we have this configurations. We have two profiles for running the project. We have IS Express as well as the demo application. The first one is the by default Kestral server. It is provided by the ASP.NET Core, so we do not need any of the IS or Apache server. The second one is we can run the application by using the IS server. So let's try this. So let's work with the first one, demo application, which is a default server provided by the ASP.NET Core. It is a Kestral server. So let's run this and see what happens. So our build is succeeded. And we have one new command prompt window is open. Here you can see the server is listening to this address https://localhost:7.169.67, and on HTTP it is listening to 5167. So here our server is listening to 7167, which is HTTPS protocol, and we can see the output is the ASP.NET Core Web API. Our Swagger is open. So this is the default functionality of the ASP.NET Core provided by Kestral server. So let's try the IS server. I'm stopping the application and changing the server. We can change the server from here. You can see your profiles which are defined in your launchSetting.json file. So the third one is the IS server. Select this. Your server is changed and you can run this. So our server started and it's running the application. You can see now the IIS server, the local address is 44355, which is defined here in the IIS settings. So our server is opened on the port 44355, and both the servers are working fine. Let's stop this. So the third server, which is WSL, I have not added any configuration for WSL. So in the future video I will try to create a video for WSL as well. If you find this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.